Experience history like never before. Mission Apollo brings you restored Apollo 11 footage in stunning clarity. 15 parts showcasing mankind's first steps on the moon, enhanced from original NASA broadcasts.
Getting back up to that first step, that isn't collapsed too far, but it's adequate to get back up.
Roger, we copy.
It's a pretty good little jump.
Okay, Neil, we can see you coming down the ladder now.
Okay, Neil, we can see you coming. Okay, I just checked, getting back up to that first step, that isn't collapsed too far, but it's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
Okay, I'm going to leave that 1 foot up there and both hands down about the 4th rung up. There you go. Okay, now I think I'll do the same.
A little more. About another inch. There, you got it?
That's a good step.
Yep. About a 3-footer.
Beautiful view. Foot up there and both hands down about the 4th rung up. There you go. Okay, now I think I'll do the same.
A little more. About another inch. For those who haven't read the plaque, we'll read the plaque that's on the front landing gear of this LEM. There's 2 hemispheres, one showing each of the 2 hemispheres of Earth. Underneath it says, "Here men from the planet Earth first set foot upon the moon, July 1969. Straight west. And I want to know if you can see an angular rock in the foreground.
Roger, we have a large angular rock in the foreground and looks like a much smaller rock a couple of inches to the left of it. Over.
Right, Nano?
And incidentally, you can use the shadow that the staff makes to assist you in getting it perpendicular.
Really is.
Oh, geez, that's great. Is the lighting halfway decent?
Yes, indeed. They've got the flag up now, and you can see the stars and stripes on the lunar surface.
Now, and you can see the stars and stripes on the lunar surface. Beautiful, just beautiful. Oh, geez, that's great. Is the lighting halfway decent?
Yes, indeed. They've got the flag up now, and you can see the stars and stripes on the lunar surface.
Now, and you can see the stars and stripes on the lunar surface. Beautiful, just beautiful. And about 2 or 3 or maybe 4 easy phases can bring you to a fairly smooth stop. Direction.
This has to be the proudest day of our lives. And for people all over the world, I am sure they too join with America in recognizing what an immense feat this is. Because of what you have done, the heavens have become a part of man's world.
3-3, 4-4. 40. Shaft 353.855. Trunnion 46.495. Roll 0.
Buzz Aldrin coming into view on the right, carrying the two experiments.
About 40 feet out. I'd say out to the end of that next...
Now it's going to be a little difficult to find a good level spot here.
That white dot right above the horizon on the right is a phosphorus spot from the TV converter in the Park Station in Australia. Transferring the sample containers into the limb cabin now.
Uh-oh.
Neil, this is Houston. Did you get the Hasselblad magazine?
Yes, I did. And we got about, I'd say 20 pounds of carefully selected, if not documented, samples.
Houston, roger. Well done. Out.
In the second box.
There went something. Looked like a portable life support system.